Welcome to Black River Woodworking. I'm Jenny. Today Adam is walking us through the different wood species in the shop, what each one is good for, and how the right board changes the finished project. Adam, people often look at a board and think wood is wood.
That is right. A lot of people look at a board and think wood is wood. But once you spend time in a shop, you realize every species has its own personality. The right wood changes the whole project. It affects the color, weight, strength, durability, finish, and even how the piece feels years later. Starting with Western Red Cedar makes sense because it has such a clear purpose. Cedar is one of the best choices on the list for outdoor and weather-exposed work. It is naturally resistant to decay, has a pleasant aroma, and gives projects a warm, natural look. For exterior details, outdoor furniture, garden work, and restoration pieces exposed to moisture, cedar is very useful. Birch is almost the opposite in personality. It is quiet, clean, and practical. You choose birch when you want something reliable that does not need to be the visual star. It is useful for painted cabinets, shop fixtures, shelves, panels, furniture parts, and everyday woodworking. Birch shorts are especially handy because small projects do not always need long, perfect boards. Sometimes a shorter piece is exactly right. Maple is one of the classic light hardwoods. It feels strong as soon as you pick it up. It is dense, hard, and very dependable. That makes maple a good fit for work surfaces, tables, counters, cabinets, benches, and pieces that need to take wear. It can also look very clean and modern because of its pale color and smooth appearance. Walnut has a completely different mood. It is darker, richer, and more dramatic. It has depth without needing a lot of decoration. A walnut table, desk, cabinet, or shelf feels warm and substantial. It is one of those woods people notice right away, but it still feels calm and classic. Walnut seconds are worth mentioning too. They may not be perfect boards, but that does not mean they are not useful. Character marks, color changes, and small defects can be worked around, or sometimes they become part of the design. Mahogany brings a more traditional kind of elegance. It has been used in furniture, doors, trim, and fine woodworking for generations. It takes finish beautifully and has a warm, formal character. For restoration work, custom doors, panels, and detailed millwork, mahogany can feel very appropriate. Douglas fir is one of those woods that people sometimes underestimate because it is a softwood. But it is strong, workable, and full of character. In older homes, fir is everywhere. It can show up in doors, floors, trim, beams, porch work, and framing. If you are matching or repairing historic details, Douglas fir can be very important. Cherry is one of my favorites because it changes with time. Fresh cherry can be lighter, but as it ages, it deepens into a richer red-brown color. That makes cherry perfect for furniture, cabinets, tables, desks, panels, and pieces meant to be kept for a long time. It has warmth without being as dark as walnut. White oak is the durable workhorse of the hardwood group. It is strong, tough, and has a grain that can be either bold or refined, depending on how it is used. It is excellent for stairs, flooring, tables, doors, furniture, cabinets, and millwork. Quarter-sawn white oak can also show beautiful ray fleck, which gives it a very traditional craftsman look. Zebrawood is the showpiece. It has strong dark and light striping, so it is not something you usually hide in the background. It works best as an accent or feature. A box lid, drawer front, cabinet panel, handle, inlay, or decorative detail can look amazing in zebrawood because the grain already provides the drama. So if someone is choosing from the Black River list, the question is not just what wood do you like? The question is, what does the project need? For outdoor work, think Western Red Cedar. For practical painted or shop projects, think birch. For strength and a clean, light look, think maple. For rich furniture and warm custom work, think walnut. For traditional elegance, mahogany is a strong choice. For restoration and structural character, Douglas fir matters. For warm furniture that deepens with age, cherry is excellent. For durable furniture, stairs, and millwork, white oak is hard to beat. And for a bold accent, zebrawood stands out. That is the beauty of working with real wood. Every species has strengths, every board has character, and a project always turns out better when the material is chosen with care.